being let out of our airplane as they dump fuel to land back at Copenhagen. Pretty interesting. Have you ever seen this before?